In this video, I will show you how to add an animation to a logo you have designed. So first we will open up Shotcut. Now we need to create a new file. Adding animation to a logo. Click on Open File. Go to Videos. Find the logo, and it's this one here. Open up Playlist. Drag the logo to our playlist. Now what we're going to do is drag from the main screen the logo into our timeline. So drag it there. So it's already highlighted, ready for any amendments to be made to it. Press back to bring the timeline, that line there, to the beginning. We need to open up a animation video track. So click on Timeline, click Add Video Track. However, if we didn't have the video track, what will happen is that if you upload a animation and try and drag it above your logo, it's not going to look above the logo. It will go in between it. I can show you that in a second. Go to Downloads, double click on top heart on green screen. Now when I open up the file or upload it, the sound is loud. What we do is drag our animation to our playlist, then drag the track, animation track to our second video track. We remove the audio because, as you can see, it's quite loud. So how to remove the audio? You click on the animation, go to Filters, click Plus, click Audio, click Gain Volume, and turn the volume down by dragging it across. The volume has been turned down. So what we do next is just go to our green screen of a heart. There's a number of hearts here you can choose from. So I found the heart that I want to copy. So what we do is, actually I'll go back, I'll show you. So we can either press play, but it's going to take forever. Click onto this white line and drag it to the heart that you want, or whatever animation you choose. So this is the animation heart that I want to pick. Just move it to a point just before the animation will appear. Do it again. Here, click Cut. Right click, remove. Go back, and then drag the line to the end of the animation. Let's say we left that black screen there. Okay, so we'll cut here, right click, remove. Okay, so if we press play, it's going to show that black screen. No, we don't want that black screen. So what we do is just drag to the end of the animation there, click Cut, right click, remove. Backspace. Now we want to do is to remove the green screen. Go to filters. We are in filters already. Click plus, video, arrow down to Chrome key advanced. So don't worry about the key color because the key color is green. This is the color we want to get rid of. And then you have red delta, green delta, blue delta. So let's just move it like so. Move the line so it includes the arrow. Choose Chrome key advanced. It wasn't removing some of the green. Just try Chrome key simple. I did choose Chrome key advanced. It didn't look right, so you can choose Chrome key simple. Click filters, click on the plus, go to favorites, click on size and position. After clicking on size and position, we resize the animation. You can either make it smaller or larger, but if you make it bigger, it basically means it will resize the logo. So it's just a matter of positioning the logo in the middle. You find the dot in the middle and just move your cursor around till it looks like that, and just arrow it down to, or drag it down to a position where you want to put it on your logo. I think that looks fine. There's a gap next to the logo that we have adjusted. Okay, so everything that was done to the logo has been saved. And don't forget to save the file. Right click, copy, click paste. Now it's overlapping the logo, so just go back and click cut. And to the bit that you want to cut out, right click, remove. So arrow across, press play, and it will look like that. Next we want to do is make sure we saved it, as I said. So click export, click custom, click export file. You'll name the file. It will save to videos. Click save. Next to the job that you're downloading, so basically it will download to MP4. Pause. Then 3 lines above jobs. Click on that. Click on remove finished. Click save. And exit. Open up Shotcut. Open up add logo to video or image. Click start. We open up a video of an intro. Go to open file, downloads, double click on this intro, click on playlist, drag it to the playlist, so drag it to your timeline here. So that's our video. Now we need to open up a video track. Next I'm going to open up the logo that was updated. Do videos. This is one that I did earlier. This is just an example. You don't necessarily have to put a logo in your intro video. You would generally put a text to introduce your video. So I'm just showing you, if you didn't put a video track and you try to drag it from your main screen, let's see, we'll send it to our playlist. But if you try and drag it to above it, it's not going to work because you need to have that second video track because we're adding another video. So if we dragged it here, it's going to go there, and it's going to go split that video in half. No biggie. You can either go like this, but see, it's split. So what we do is click undo, undo. If we click on source, there's our file. We go to add video track, arrow down so that we can see our previous video, drag our logo there, size and position. Now it doesn't look right, but I'll show you another way of cropping it. Okay, so go to filters, plus, favorites, size and position. So you notice it doesn't matter how I position it, it's still going to show that black screen. What I'll do is I'll just resize it nevertheless. And it's just a matter of dragging it like that. And you see there's the dot in the middle. Put your cursor there, drag it to a point that you want to place your logo. So I will show you how to crop. I'm not sure what I did wrong earlier, but never mind. So this is another option. Go to plus, video, go down to crop source. So that's our source and that's what we want to crop. Basically, that's what it means, crop source. You notice the top and bottom is fine. It's just the left and the right we need to alter. Just move it like so. And the right one, get rid of the black. Okay, so that's been resized. Everything that has been done to the logo has already been saved. Don't forget to click save up there. Now we want to copy our logo. Click copy. Bring our go fastward so it's to the point. And now you notice that the logo is overlapping the video, because if you look down, arrow down, there's a little bit of a gap. So all you do is go back. So this little line here we want to cut, because if you add another video, the logo is going to appear in your next video or your image. So click cut. You'll see the red line there. Right click, remove. So it'll look like that. Press play, or go back, go back, go back. Press play. And that's our logo with our cool I love you animation. I hope the instructions were clear and you'll be able to design your own logo and add flash animations to your logo. So please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Please turn on notifications. That will let you know when I upload the next video.